In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect bank feed to Xero. Connecting a bank feed lets Xero automatically pull your transactions into your accounting, saving time and reducing manual data entry. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to your Xero organization with the right permissions and that you have your online banking login details ready. Some banks also require multi-factor authentication, so have your device or authentication app close by. Start on your Xero dashboard. From the main navigation, click Accounting. This opens the accounting menu where Xero groups key financial tools. Next, choose Bank Accounts. This page shows any accounts you've already set up and is the central place to manage bank feeds. Now click Add Bank Account. Xero will prompt you to find your bank connection. In the search box, type the name of your bank and select the correct option from the list. For example, you could choose American Express if that's what you use. If you don't immediately see your bank, try a slightly different name, include your region, or check for a business versus personal banking option. Choosing the exact match matters because it determines how the secure connection is established. Once your bank is selected, click Continue. Xero will redirect you to your bank's secure sign-in page to obtain your consent. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the official bank site by checking the web address and security padlock in your browser. If a new window doesn't appear, your browser may be blocking pop-ups, so allow them for this step and try again. On the bank's page, log in with your user ID and password. Enter this information only on the bank's secure screen. If your bank uses multi-factor authentication, complete that verification when prompted. You may see a consent message explaining what data will be shared with Xero and for how long. Review it, then approve access to continue. The exact wording and screens vary by bank, but the process is the same. Authenticate, review, and grant permission. After you grant access, you'll be redirected back to Xero. You should see confirmation that the connection was successful, and your bank feed will appear under Bank Accounts. Initial transaction import timing depends on your bank. Some feeds begin syncing within minutes, while others can take a little longer. If something doesn't connect, double-check your Xero user access, confirm you use the correct bank option, and make sure your online banking credentials are current. Try a different browser or clear your cache if a window fails to load. That's it. You've connected your bank feed to Xero and are ready for smoother, more accurate bookkeeping.